right now we're working on understanding a problem and writing out all of the information that we know. We know that brown squirrels can carry 2 acorns at a time, gray squirrels can carry 3, and black squirrels can carry 5 acorns at a time. Well, now we know that, for instance, the brown squirrel took 4 trips, the gray one took 2, and the black squirrel took 2 trips as well.
And we figured out what the questions asking us. We found keywords, and we have determined what information we have and how to use it.
Okay.
And we see as we're making our plan.
So my plan is like, I wrote an algebraic equation for this.
Okay, and how did you come up with the algebraic expression?
So it's like, because well, I used the number, these numbers are like represent how many acorns can it take each time, and then the variables, they are like how many trips the squirrels took. And so they all add up, so they add up to 24.
It ends up, no. It's saying this is the 8 and the 6 and the 10 all together will equal 24. And we need to find out how they, and once they go into
I just read that, I was like,
we've come up with 8 methods by using the guess and check method. We've come up with 8 methods to split the acorns into the 24 acorns to all 3 squirrels, while they still have their designated 5, 3, and 2 amount.
Yeah, we were gonna draw it, but then like we thought it was a lot easier if we like actually did it with hands. So and like this could be like the brown squirrel and the gray squirrel, and then it could be like for how many trips in. So you can take, let's say it took 3 and it took 5, and then we add them together until we get 24.
it's good now. This is 24. Okay, so this is black. So if we do 3, 4, 5 with this, 2 5s, 2 trips, and then 3, 3. That's 10. But I don't know how we got that. Okay, add another 3 to here. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Then
That's 22.
24 though. Okay, so this is another way to make it.
What we did is we figured out it on a scrap piece of paper, and then we just punched in the numbers onto a calculator, pressed enter, and if it says 24, then we knew it was correct.
We put it on top. We said that the black squirrel could do 3 trips, and that would equal 15. The gray squirrel could do 1 trip, and that would make it 18. The brown squirrel can do 3 trips, and that would make it 24.
And then we did that with each method going on and on until it was 10. And then our methods started getting repetitive to the point that we kind of just switching numbers. So we decided to call it off on 10. And then we found all the ways because our methods became repetitive and not original as they were before.
I'm the one who's calculating everything, like for the first one. Calculate 4 times 2, which is 8. 2 times 3, which is 6, and 2 times 5, which is 10. Add them all up, and it's 20.
Okay, so what we did is that we made 3 columns. This one's for 2, this one's for 3, and this one's for 5. And we got those numbers from how much the brown, gray, and black squirrels can carry, right?
Okay.
X represented the brown squirrel, the Y represented the gray squirrel, and the Z represented the black squirrel. And we knew these were correct because, for example, for the first one, right?
Yeah.
The brown squirrel took everything, right? So he took 12, and then we'd multiply that by the 2, and that would equal 24.
Sorry, but he can only take 2 at once. So if he can only take 2 at once, what does that mean?
I think the 12 means the trips he took.
He took 12,
Trips. So then,
carrying 2 acorns at a time.
Yes.
Okay. And then what about the other ones?
Yeah, we basically did the same thing except for this one. The gray squirrel did all the work he took 8 trips and took 3 at a time. So 3 times 8 would be 24, and the other 2 squirrels did nothing. So that would be 1 squirrel doing work, and we also did the same for 2 squirrels and 3 squirrels.